Let's make a Kraken Espresso Martini. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a drink that I cannot drink, the Kraken Espresso Martini. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. Either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. For those of you who don't know, I'm allergic to coffee, so I don't normally drink drinks that have coffee in them. And by say normally, I mean I never do. So I've never actually had an espresso martini. However, the Kraken does have one in their recipes on their website. So as a completionist, I have to make it even though I won't be drinking it. A note on the espresso. If you're going to make a Kraken Espresso Martini, you should probably use real espresso. Since I don't have an espresso machine, I can't drink it myself, my wife doesn't drink it, I'm going to be using canned espresso instead. So the recipe may be a little off based on what they intend. However, if you have a real espresso machine at home, give it a shot, pun intended, and let me know how it turns out. A note on the rum. This is the Kraken Espresso Martini, so if you're going to be making it, you really should be using their Kraken Black Spiced Rum. If you want to make an espresso rum-tini with another rum, feel free to do so, but then it's not the Kraken Espresso Martini. A note on the units. The recipe has a mixture of real units and parts in it, and that drives me crazy. It's 2 parts Kraken, 1 part red vermouth, and 1 shot of espresso. And I know a shot of espresso, even though I don't drink it myself, is 1 ounce. I'm going to assume the parts mean ounces, and I'm going to go forward with that. To make this drink, we are going to start with our coffee. I'm going to put in 1 shot, which is 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters of my high brew double espresso cold brew coffee. Then 1 ounce of San Bernabe sweet vermouth. You don't have to use San Bernabe. This is a bottle that my friends Jen and Xavier brought with them home from Spain for me. So I'm going to use it. It's great in Manhattan's. It's going to be great in here too, if you can drink coffee. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Sweet vermouth. And 2 parts, 2 ounces, 60 milliliters of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Official glass, I assume, is going to be a cocktail glass because it's a martini, and they specify double straining, so I'm going to do that. And there you have it. No garnish, because they don't specify a garnish. Kraken Espresso Martini. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Is this a good espresso martini? Let me know in the comments down below. I can't drink it myself, so I'd love to hear your feedback. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt if you want one. Contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at those social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, do those sorts of things on those as well. Finally, if you've made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any other drinks that I can't drink. And until next time, cheers.